clever. What is it? It's a penny. Wow. Whoa, what a good boy. Who's this coming? Who's this coming? Who's this coming? Wow.
Hey.
Yes, sir.
No, just say.
They've had a little bit of a beak to beak, and that's it. They're ignoring each other. Well, you're shaking your feathers down for. Oh, here she goes! Yay! Clever boy. Be nice. Be nice. Charlie, be nice. Good boy. Is that Penny? Hey, is that Penny? Woo! Look at Penny go! Yay! You're a clever boy. Clever boy. Whoa, where's Penny going? Hey? Yay! That's good. Oh, what a good. Look at she blew at me. That she nearly got me then. Gently, thank you. Good boy. Good boy. Is that Penny one Charlie now? Me? Ooh, excited got my arm, Charlie. Good boy. You gonna go see Penny? Or are you just gonna play now?